Welcome to the module 8 of our video editing mastery course. In this module, we will learn how we can create course videos. So, in this module, we will learn how we can create different long form content and how we will also give you tips on creating different course or educational content that you can create for your own self and publish on different educational platforms, or you can provide these services to your clients and create course videos for them as well. So let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Rahil, a passionate and experienced video editor and a content creator with 4+ years of professional experience in the industry, having worked on 500+ projects ranging from short form social media videos to full length YouTube content. As an instructor, I specialize in teaching beginner to advanced video editing techniques with a focus on AI powered tools, cinematic storytelling, color grading, and social media content creation. Video editing is not just my profession, it's my passion and an exciting career that allows me to bring ideas to life. So, in this course, what are the different course content? In this course, we will learn about the course description, learning outcomes, structuring our educational videos for clarity, editing techniques for screen recording and presentation, enhancing learning with motion graphics and animation, audio quality and voiceover tips that we can follow, best export settings for online courses. So let's start with the course description. In this module, we shift from entertainment based editing to educational video production where clarity, pacing, and structures are paramount. This module is designed to teach the foundational and advanced techniques for video editing professionally, high quality educational videos, particularly course content. Whether you are creating online lessons, training sessions, or tutorial series, this module focuses on helping editors build clear, engaging, and visual structured learning experience. You will learn how to organize content for comprehension, enhance screen recording with interactive elements, and apply motion graphics for polished delivery. So, what are the different learning outcomes after this module? By the end of this module, learners will be able to plan and structure educational videos that are clear and easy to follow. Record and edit clean, focused screen tutorials or presentations. Use different motion graphics to enhance learning and engagement. Optimize voiceovers and audios for clear communication. Export course videos in platform friendly formats which appropriate compression and quality settings. So, want to know more on video editing? Like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's start with structuring educational videos for more clarity. The foundation of any successful video course lies in how well it is structured. Clear structures ensures that learners can follow along without any confusion and retain the most information presented in the video or in the course. Start by defining the learning outcomes. What do you want to the learner to know or do after watching this particular video? Based on these goals, break the content into logical segments or chapters. We will walk you through the intro, teach, recap framework. So, in intro, we have to quickly state what the video is about and why it matters to you, and why that particular person is watching that video and how it will get benefited from this video. Then we will teach. We will break down information into step by step explanation or demonstrations using the chapters or using the different segment features. Then at last or at the conclusion point, we have to recap everything. So we have to summarize key takeaways or actionable tips from that particular video or that particular course. We have to use visual section markers like lower thirds or title slides to help indicate transitions. Keep videos concise, ideally between 5 to 10 minutes per topic. If the subject is complex, we have to break it into multiple smaller lessons instead of one long form video. Short, structured lessons improve retention and make it easier for learners to return to specific topics whenever they are revising. Editing techniques for screen recording and presentations. Screen recordings are essential for software tutorials, walkthroughs, and presentation based teaching. But raw screen recordings can be dull or confusing if it's not edited well. This section focuses on polishing these recordings for a professional finish. Start with recording high quality screen footage using tools like OBS Studio, Camtasia, Loom, or ScreenFlow. Choose a clean desktop, use high contrast colors, and hide unnecessary elements like notifications or personal files on your desktop. Use a resolution of at least 1080p or even higher to ensure clarity, especially when teaching software interfaces. Now, I will teach you how we can use the OBS Studio for a best screen recording purposes. I will walk you through how you can start recording your screen using OBS, what are the best settings that you can apply to record different your screen recordings, and then we will see how we can edit those screen recordings as well. So now we will see how we can use OBS software. Okay, so first we need to go into our browser and search for OBS. So we will click on this first link to open this OBS software, and over here we can choose, if you have Windows we can click on Windows, we can click on Mac, or if we are using Linux operating system we can click on those. So I am using Windows, I will click on Windows and will automatically start downloading. Already installed on my PC, so I will simply pause this, and you can simply have, if you haven't installed yet, you can simply download this and then install. After done installing, you will simply go and search for OBS and open it. So as I have downloaded, and now I'll open the OBS. So this is the main interface of entire OBS. Okay, but when you open the OBS, it won't be like that. It will be like similar to like this. There will nothing appearing over here, and this will be blank. Now I will teach you every little step of this OBS software. So OBS software can use in multiple ways. Let's say if you want to stream onto your different social media platforms, you can do that using OBS. You can record your PC screen using OBS. You can record your microphone using OBS. You can record your audio, use any type of recording, you can use this OBS software. So over here there is called scenes. You can create multiple scenes, and in each scene you can add different sources. So let's say I have created this scene too, and as next window is called source window, and if I click on plus, there will be multiple options open. These are the different source that we can use in order to record. So we can record any single application audio using OBS. We can capture or record only our audio. We can only capture our audio output. We can only capture the browser. Let's say if we are opening anything on Chrome and we only want that whatever the open in Google Chrome, it will only record that. We can use that. We can record any color source. We can record our entire display over here, which is there, they name them video display capture. We can also, if we are playing a certain game and we want a gaming recording, we can do that using OBS, and we will have to click game capture. Then we can add single image to it. We can add image slideshow. We can add any media source. Let's say we have a video and we want to record that video, or we have to stream that particular videos. Also over here we can add a media source, and then we can record or stream that particular thing. Then we can add scene, we can add text to it, we can also record our webcam, we can also add video, VLC, video source file. So VLC is a video media player, and if whatever playing in that, we can also record or stream that as well. And we can also record a particular window. So for current this particular module, we have to record our PC screen. So we will simply click on this display capture, and over here you can name whatever we want, or we can simply name it as it is, and we can click on OK. After that, it will automatically capture whichever the window or whichever whatever we are using capture. So we will click on Windows 10, and over here we will be selecting our display. So we will, this is our display, we will click on that, and as we click over here, our window will get appearing over here. That means that it has detected that this is our display. And over here, if we want to show our mouse in our recording, we can click on capture cursor. If we don't want, we can simply hide our cursor as well. And after done with the setting, we can click on OK. And just for clear reference, for capture method we can make it automatic, we can make it Windows 10, and it's completely fine. Both of these is equally work fine, so we can change to automatically as well, and we will click OK. And you will see that whatever I'm doing over here will be directly reflecting over here. That means it is recording this particular PC screen over here. Then over here it is called audio mixer. Over here we can see that it can record our desktop audio like so, and it can also record our mic or whatever the box USB mic or whatever the mic that we have connected. You can also record that voice as well. As currently I'm talking, and as I talk less or I talk higher, it simply show over here. So whatever, if anything playing on desktop and we want to record their audio, we can do that as well. If we want, if we don't have to record the desktop audio, we can simply use this slider and all the way to end. And what it will do, it won't record any of the desktop audio. And similarly, if we don't want to record our own audio, we can simply either we can mute this from here, or we can simply make it at the way all the way end, and it won't record our mic audio. And click on three dots and going to properties, over here we can change the different microphone if we have connected multiple mics to our computer or our laptop. So currently I'm using this microphone USB device, so I will simply click OK. And then this is called scene transition. So let's say you have created multiple scenes over here. Let's say you are giving reaction to a video, you are recording one PC screen into one scene, and to another scene you are recording your webcam, and into third scene you are recording your webcam and your PC screen at the same time, and you want to switch between that. So over here you can choose any of the transition, either a cut transition or either a fade transition, in order to switch between these two scenes. And over here this is the duration, how fast or how short you want the duration of that particular scene will be. You can change it over here, and then you can either go click on start recording to start the recording, or either if you want to stream, you can click on stream. And let's say we will go towards settings, and I will show you what are the main settings that you want to check before starting every recording. You will go over appearance, and over here you can change the different style. Let's say if you want to go for this Eric style or this gray style, so whichever you prefer you can change that too. I prefer with this particular, let's say, style, so I will be sure I will use that, or I will use classic, or I will use default. So whichever I like, I will make that. Then we will click on, if we are using stream, either we whichever the services that we want to stream, we can simply select. Let's say I want to do YouTube, I will select that. I will, over here we will integrate it in yes the server. Over here we will connect our account, and over here we can add the stream key, and we will direct start streaming. But in this particular module we are using OBS just for our video recording, so we will stick with that. Over here we can choose the output. Over here I have done this advanced way, you can do the simple way. Over here you can select the bitrate of video and everything. You don't have to change anything, but just to make sure you have to select the video encoder for H.264 because it's very good. And we basically use an encoder preset, which these are the different encoder. If you have low end PC, you can do to fastest lowest quality, but it will be fine because it will handle. Or if you have a higher PC, you can go for slowest and best quality. So it will encode, it will take time to save the video, but the quality would be very great. And over here there are different audio encoders to choose, but currently I'm using the AAC audio recording. Over here you can choose the recording path wherever you want to record. Over here you can recording quality, whichever the quality you want, either you want high quality, medium file size, or either you can go for lossless quality or tremendous large file size. Whichever you want to choose, you can choose that. Over here you can recording format, either you want to do m.mkv, .mpeg, .mp4, basically .mov. So whichever the format that you want to choose, you can choose that. I mostly recommend going for .mp4, so I will change that. Then over here we can simply click OK, but we will check the audio will be similar to that, but just over here you can change the microphone that you want to record your audio. Then you will go towards video. This will be the base configuration that your PC screen or your laptop screen can provide. So my screen can go for 720p to all the way to 1080p, so I will select the 1080p as my base. And what output we want, there are the different output that we can choose. So I will choose the highest output so that I have a crispy clear audio. And over here you can either go for common fps or either you can do fractional fps. I will prefer going for common fps, and over here you can choose between any of these different fps. So I mostly prefer going for 60, because if we tend to lower our fps, we can do over here. Then there are some advanced settings which we simply don't want to disturb, so we will simply click apply and click OK over here. And over here, this is the YouTube live control panel that we have just selected, but we aren't doing the live, so we will simply close it, and now we can start recording. Okay, so I will quickly record a demo that we will can edit afterwards. Okay, so I will start recording. I will simply open up a video. This is a sample that I have already created, and then we will edit that video later on into our video editing software. Okay, so I will start from here. Keep in mind that I am recording with an external mic and an internal mic as well. So I have started the recording. Hi, my name is Rahil, and this is a demo video that we are creating to showcase OBS video recording software. Over here in this sample folder, if we double click open here, we have different samples available. Okay, so let me open this video to showcase you.
How much income do you need to get qualified for a $450,000 mortgage in Canada? That is, if you're putting less than 20% down. Let's check it out.
Okay, so this was a quick video where we have show how the video is looking, and now I will go back to OBS, and over here we can click on stop recording to stop the recording. Now we have the recording that we have done in the OBS. We will go towards to see where it is belong, and then we will edit that video out. Okay, and let me open the recorder, and so I have started the recording. Hi, my name is Rahil, and this is a demo video that we are creating to showcase OBS video recording software. Over here in this sample folder, if we double click open here, we have different samples available. Okay, so let me open this video to showcase you.
How much income do you need to get qualified for a $450,000 mortgage in Canada? That is, if you're putting less than 20% down. Let's check it out.
Okay, so this was a quick video where we have show how the video is looking, and now I will go back to OBS, and over here we can click on stop recording. After we're done with the recording, now we will learn how to zoom in on important actions using scale keyframes for emphasis, callouts, and highlighting techniques to draw viewers' attention to buttons, settings, or actions that are performing in the screen recording. We have to remove silences, awkward pauses, or mouse glitches to maintain a seamless flow. We have to synchronize our voiceovers if we are recording on two different devices. We have to ensure that spoken explanation is exactly lined up with on-screen actions. We have to use noise reduction and audio balancing using different tools available inside Premiere Pro Essential Sound Panel, or we can also use another audio editing software called Audacity. Now we will see how we can enhance learning with motion graphics and animation to maintain attention and reinforce key informations. Motion graphics and animations are incredibly effective. Simple visual movements can help demonstrate relationships, transitions, processes, and even emotions in a way static visuals cannot. For course creators, this means using tools like CapCut, Filmora, or Adobe Premiere Pro to add enhancements like animated titles and section openers, bullet points, reveals in sync with the voiceover, transitions between topics to signify changes, lower thirds for names, topics, or any tips that we have to provide in that particular course, progress bars or timers to give learners a sense of pacing for that particular course. Animation helps in making abstract or technical topics more understandable and engaging. Even simple animations such as icons that slide in or arrows pointing to an important area add a polish and professionalism to our videos. They help maintain interest, especially in slower or information heavy lessons. You do not need to animate everything, just use motion springly and strategically to direct attention toward a particular important section. So now, as you can see, we have created a rough video using OBS Studio. Now we will edit that video inside Filmora. And as I already told you that I have recorded two different audios, one using my laptop's microphone and other I'm using an external microphone. So let me place the first video over here, and over here it will ask us to match the media. We'll click yes, and over here you will listen to the audio that it's recorded over here compared to what we normally see. So we will increase it to around 6% so we can hear it more clearly. And this is the audio that I have recorded so far, and as you will see, this is around 12 minutes and 42 seconds long, but this is for 12 minutes and 46 seconds long. That means that the second audio that we have recorded is around 6 minutes gap between both of these. Now I will show you how we can synchronize both of them as well. So let me mute the first audio that recorded up by our laptop, and this is the second that I have recorded with my microphone, and you will listen to it that it's a little more clear than the audio of our laptop. So let me increase the volume around a little bit, around 4, and now this is more usable. Now we can work around both of them. Let me unmute that. And now how we can both synchronize, we will use the AI powered tools included in the Wondershare Filmora, where we can synchronize both of them. We will right click, and over here there will be an option called auto synchronization. We will click on that. It will take a little time to synchronize both of the audios. Over here you can see that the syncing is in progress and it's doing the syncing. It will take a little time as the AI analyzing the entire audio, and then it will sync both of the audios. Okay, so we'll give it the time that it will take to synchronize all of the audio. And now over here you will see that it has been synced our entire audio. If you see over here, it's both now get connected, and I have trimmed the part we at the start that causing that issue. Okay, so now if I play both of the audios, you will see that they are syncing with each other. Use OBS software. Okay, so first we need to see they are syncing. So now what we can do, as we will have to decide whichever the audio we most prefer in both of them. So let's say you prefer the second audio, and so what you will do, either you can lower the volume from here, or either you can use this slider to lower the volume. So I will use this slider to make the volume all the way 0, so we can only work with this particular audio. And over here now we will do, we will add different applications to that audio over here, and over here we will apply this acoustic effect and see if it's work. Yeah, the acoustic effects is working fine. Now what we will do, we will also apply the AI enhancement speech, you will see. But if you look closely, that effect is ruining our audio. So what we will do, we won't use that audio. What we will do, we will simply go to normal denoise and apply that effect, and now we'll see how the audio is sounding, and we will make it to mid, and now we will listen to the audio, but it's not that much great. So we can apply this particular deverb effect and make it around 60, and now listen to it. So obvious software can, it's still a little harsh, so we'll make it to 50. Use in multiple ways. Let's say if you want to stream onto, it's good. Now we will add the AI speech enhancement to your different social media platforms. You can do that using OBS. You can but this AI speech enhancement isn't working that much fine, so we will add the normal denoise and make it to full strong, and now we'll listen to the audio, and we'll go on top and increase it to around 6 decibel, but it's making our audio very muffled, so we'll remove the denoise effect, and we will also increase this to around 60 as well again. Sources. So let's say I have created this. We'll also remove the hum voices scene too, and as next, you will see that as we are applying these effects, our audio is getting a little bad. That because our audio doesn't apply this acoustic effect. We'll make it to around default, and now listen to it. Window is called source window, and if I click on plus, there will be, and now our audio is much cleaner. So we will see to whichever the effect that we want to apply. So let me multiple options open. These are the different source that we can use. Now you can listen to it how much the effect that it's applied. So the AI speech enhancement feature that they using inside Filmora isn't doing that much great onto my voice, so I have removed it, but the devo feature is working absolutely fine, and I haven't using any equalizer, so I have made that to default one. Okay, so that's it. This is my voice. Now listen to it. The voice is clean, but we have to increase the volume a little bit. The audio is great, but still there is a little bit noise at the background. What we will do, we will add the deverb feature, and we will make it to around 65, and now listen to it. We have to lower it the value a little bit around 58. Now listen to it. Now the background noise is also a little bit removed, and our audio is much clearer. So this is the entire recording that we have done over here. This is all the audio. Okay, now we will move towards the part where we create the video using OBS. Okay, we create the video using OBS around here. So when we click on the start video, it's right around here. So what we will do, we will make a cut over here, and we will also make a cut over here, and we will delete the rest of it, and we will simply place these two at the very start. And now just listen to it how that video will sound. Start from here. Keep in mind that I am recording. Okay, so it's recording right around here. Here, and this is a demo video that we are creating to showcase OBS video edit. To showcase. So over here I made a mistake, so I'll have to remove that as well. OBS video edit. To showcase thing to show. So we will make a cut over here to showcase edit. And make a cut over here as well to showcase, and we will shift delete both of this, and now listen to it. We are creating to showcase OBS video recording software. Over here in sample folder, if we double click open here, we have different samples available. Okay, so let me open this video to showcase you. And now as we are using any external microphone, so it won't record our PC's voice. So what we have to do, we have to make a cut over here, and now we'll have to boost up our voice of our PC so that we can have how long the video is playing. We have to keep the audio from our that particular section. We will lower this voice, and now just listen to it.
Income do you need to get qualified for a $450,000 mortgage in Canada? That is, if you're putting less than 20% down. Let's check it out.
So over here you will see now what we will do, we will again lower it because we have completed the video, and now we will see video where we have show how the video is looking. And now I will go back to OBS, and over here we can click on stop recording. So we won't be showing that part where we are stopped the recording because it's not the part. So what we will do, we will only keep that where we are just talking about the video. We have show how the video is looking. I think that's been it, and I will make a cut over here, and I will simply delete these two parts. Now I'll go at the very start, and yeah, I have removed that as well. So now this is the entire video that we have done, just recording using OBS, our screen recording. And over here we will add some little bit zoom in here and there where we are talking about our sample folder. Over here we are talking about our sample folder. So what I will do, I'll go to video, I'll go on top, I will add a keyframe to my transform properties. Okay, I'll go a little further around here, and let me make it a little bit closer. I will click over here, I will make another fold click, and I will zoom it, and I will place it around here so that it will only focus onto our this particular folder. Now you'll see recording software over here in this sample folder. Double click on it, I have to zoom back in. So what I will do, I will click on another keyframe so that from this part to this part the motion will be similar, and from here to around here we have to regain all of the motion. So we will click another keyframe, and we will click on this reset value, so it will be reset the value. You'll see here, if we double click open here, we have different samples. So over here it will show the sample. And now if let's say we are playing this sample right over here, I will add another keyframe, I will zoom in a little bit onto that, and how I can zoom, I will simply scale it, and I will scale it to only this particular video. Now you'll see available. Okay, so let me open this video to showcase you. And now I have to open this video. So what we'll do, I'll again click on this to make the movement constant, and I will make it a little bit at the end before starting that video, and I will reset all the parameters, and you'll see, and over here the video will get started. And now what we can do to spice things up, we can also add transition. Similarly we do for other videos that we have already learned. So let me use this transition right around here, I will make it shorter. I will also use this around here so that it's getting ended, and this transition right around here. And now you will listen to it. Creating to showcase OBS.
Income do you need to get?
Now the motions are very clean right around here. So in this way we can create our entire video course by recording using OBS, and also editing inside any of the video editing software. So currently I use Filmora. You can do the similar stuff inside CapCut as well. You can do the similar stuff inside Adobe Premiere Pro, inside Clipchamp, inside DaVinci Resolve as well. So this is the entire editing part of that tutorial. Okay, now I'll show you, I have done few videos inside Premiere Pro. Let me show you that as well. Let me minimize this one. I'll open my sample folder, I'll open this sample folder as well, and now you will see that this is the educational course video that I have.
What is manual handling? Manual handling refers to the transporting or supporting of a load by hand or bodily force.
So this entire video that you are showing over here is completely done as a course video inside Premiere Pro. So let me open that particular video. Okay, so the project is loading, so I'll show you the quick breakdown of this entire video that we have done inside Premiere Pro. And now you can see that this is the entire project that I have created. Let me make my timeline a little bigger. So this is the entire timeline of that particular project, which is around 5 minutes long. And you will see, let me zoom in over here. You will see this is the background music that is playing. Over here I have added fading effect. So this is the first main title that I have added. As you can see, this is the main title. After that title, I have added, there is a video which is, this is net create video, and I have applied a blur on top of it, and this is the text which has an animation which is going from down to top, and this is the main voiceover. You'll see, let me play that. I have muted the art music. If we play with the music, and you'll see. So after that, I have, there is a voiceover, and on that voiceover, this is the first video, and then I have added this transition film burn, then this is the second video, then I have added another transition which is converting them to third video, and then I have created this animation where these are the different motions that that particular course video needed. That is a training video, so I have used different elements or different characters to showcase that particular values. After that, if we go a little onto this side, over here you will see that I have used another video, and I have added a blur on top, and I have added another text animation on top, and then afterwards I have added this video stock. This is stock videos we can simply find from different stock media sites. This is the video, and after that I have used this white background, and if we go towards its effects control, you will see that I haven't done anything on top, and I just simply, this is my video, this is a green screen logo animation. If I open this to reveal in project, you will see that this is the video. This is a green screen video, you will see. And what I do, if I simply go towards effects control, what I do, I simply use an green screen ultra key effect on top of it, and added a little bit drop shadow onto it, and it had this animation on top. And then there is another paper called effect. You listen to the audio.
The Safety, Health, and Welfare at Work, Act 2005, and Manual Handling of Loads Regulations, 1993.
After that, I have added another transition, and then there is another videos happening, and then another video is playing right over here, and then again text animation happening. Then again I have just showing that there is a simple white background, there is a animation, or you can say there is an image over here, and on top of image I simply added the green screen and the shadow effect, and I have applied this simple transition which is moving them from right to left, and over here same is applying onto text as well. Similarly over here I have added this animation, over here this animation. So these are the different animation that I have applied it so far. And then if we go on top over here, I have just added this checklist. If there is a nested sequence that I have added onto here, this is nested sequence is basically compounding a sequence. So if I double click on it, you will see that I have a simple white background at the end, at the bottom. Then I have this animation which is basically showing this overview section. Then I have let me open this into my project. I have this simple check animation which I am using right over here, and I am using simply this animation onto this text. If I open the effects control, you will see that just simply using these transform properties, and I am just using it's sliding this animation from right to left. As you can see, this is the first, this is second, third, and how so much. I'll close this it, and this is working, and then let me move it right around here. Similarly, there is another video and a text on top, and then this is a photo that I'm using, and again these are the different images that I'm using with the simple drop shadow that is applying on top of it, and there is a little bit motion when the image is appearing onto screen. Then this is also in slow animation, and this is another animation. Then again text comes, then again this is an image that I have placed over here, and this is the entire image. I'm just cropping it one by one. If you see right around here, this is the entire, and I'm just simply cropping it for each second to showcase the simple values, as you can see. So in this way I have created this entire section, and then again to recap this entire section I have created this entire checklist, and then afterwards again there is a video or animation. This is basic animation that is playing right around here. So this is the basic animation, and on top there is a text playing. Then there is again a transition which is moving from this section to this section, and over here I'm just simply naming its different parts like this. And right around this is another image, and then there is another text, and then this is an image. So in this way this entire editing is completion, and at the last, if you look closely, this is the complete editing at the end, and this is simply the checklist that I am applying. And at the last we will see I have added this cross dissolve transition. You'll see that it's making everything go fade out at the end. So this is the entire video that I have created inside Premiere Pro, and you can do the simpler video as well. I have other videos that I have made it just for this course, just like this one.
Getting started with ActionNet is easy.
So this is basically called logo animation that I have created.
In just a few quick steps, you will be well on your way. From the admin panel,
And over here, this is basically the screen recording that I have done. You'll see.
add users from your organization. Enter their name and email to add them. Repeat this step as often as needed. You can update this later. Now, from your main screen,
So this is basically a tutorial based video. Similarly we did for OBS. You can open OBS and you can simply record your screen, and then afterwards you can either use your own voice as a tutorial voice, or you can use any AI voice or any voice that is provided by your client, and you can create the videos by your own. You'll see.
time to create your first topic. Click the plus icon. Give your topic a name and select Create. Select the team for this newly created.
So this is the entire video that we have done, and then there is another video that I have done.
So you're an investor and want to secure more deals, but experience a lapse of liquidity throughout your acquisition cycle. Competition is tough, and earnest money deposits require between 1
Over here, if you look closely, I have using this in video, and I have using another video, but over here I'm just fading its opacity so that both of these videos get blended with each other.
to 10% of the purchase price. You have to be quick or you'll lose the deal. Take Sarah, for example. Sarah is a savvy
It's simply zoom in and zoom out animation that I'm completely using for this.
investor. In Q4, she identifies a $20 million opportunity. But being at the end of her acquisition cycle, her liquidity is tied up. But the seller is requiring 3% down. That's $600,000 in cold, hard cash. Sarah wants full deal autonomy.
So this is the entire real estate platform video that I have done for one of my clients. So this is the entire video. This is a 20-second short commercial I done for one of my.
Greetings, friends, and welcome.
You can see there is a text and there is a background, black background, and there is particles, overlays on top, and there is a handshake.
Welcome to our Titanic series. This is the incident of the 10th of April, 1912. RMS Titanic.
Talk about it.
This is basically a documentary style editing, and over here, after I give them short introduction about what the video is all about in the first 10 seconds, now I have just sharing the information that the similar news reporters or any media outlet that is giving about that, so that people can get a similarity of what will happen.
Talk about an offer that's hard to refuse.
We have clients that are Titanic enthusiasts, which we refer to as Titaniacs.
So this is a 20-second intro that I have created for one of my clients, and then it transitioned into a complete explanational video, and then at the end it just simply add a CTA and then it will start. And this is a simple video that is slow paced one. This is very simple videos. I'm just mixing different videos. So this is the first video that I have just simply taken from Pepsi commercial, and I have gave them the credits, and then I have used the image of that person, and I'm just writing their name and where he borns. And then afterward there is another video that I have, and this is the image. So this video is basically very simple video using images that I have created to convey the idea of Pepsi Cola. So this is an old commercial that I have used right over here to signify the idea of Pepsi Cola. So in this way you can create different videos to give the idea or the illusion how you can create different kind of course videos, tutorial videos, or animation videos using your any editing software. Now, as you have seen all of the different course videos that I have already edited, now we will create a custom course video for our this entire course that we are doing, which is video editing mastery course, and we will create a complete rough video or a promotional video for this entire course video. Okay, so first of all we'll have to come up with an idea. So we have an idea that I want to create a video for editing course. I have around 10 modules where I teach the video editing from going to basics and then learning different video editing softwares and then learning different techniques about those, and at last we also talk about different AI which we will be learning in the module 9 AI tools in the end as well. I want to, so we want to create around 1 to 3 minutes long video. So I'll just prompt it. I want to create a 3 minutes promotional introductory video for this. Help me write a script for it. So in this way we can give a prompt to ChatGPT, so they can create a complete script outline for us. Okay, so as you can see they are creating around the script outline, which first we will have the hook, then there will be the introducing myself and about the course purpose, then we will have the course breakdown, then it will have the benefits and the transformation, and at last is the CTA, setting up the same space that we created our other course videos, such as starting with a hook, then body, and then CTA. So our video starting with, have you ever watched an incredible video and thought, I wish I could do that? Well, you can, and I'll show you how. Hi, over here we will write our name, and I help. Over here we will write how many people we have inspired as an editor. From complete beginners to advanced creators, master the art of editing. In this course, I am taking you on a complete journey from zero experience to confidently editing videos that grab attention, tell powerful stories, and even go viral. So this is the entire script that ChatGPT has shown us, which we can use in order to create our course video. And in a similar way, whichever the topic is, either it's a fire topic, either it's a health topic, either it's educational topic, either it's a tech topic, so whichever the topic is, you can give the prompt chat gpt in your layman simple english, and it will generate the entire scripting or entire outline just for you, that you can take and then you can create the videos for. And at last, it's also shown us the optional add-ons where we can add testimonials for different editors that we helped. We can also add the screenshot or motion graphics that this course layout show. Then we also add our credential or our password, and then we can also show them our social proof that we have number one rated course, or we have x amount of students enrolled in our course. So in this way, and if you didn't like the idea, you can select that particular idea and just give that prompt that, hey, I didn't like the idea, can you reform it? Or let's say if you are good with that, you can simply take out and complete your edit. So let's say over here, whatever they have mentioned other different softwares like VN Edit, which we don't add. So what we will do, I'll simply take this part, I'll copy this, and I'll mention that I want you to correct this sentence, and then we will place whatever we want to be corrected in a double inverted commas, and at last we'll write I want you to mention these softwares like Chat, like CapCut, then Clipchamp, then Filmora, then Adobe Premiere Pro, then DaVinci Resolve, and I'll hit enter. So now what it will do, it will revise the entire script accordingly. So it's shown me this. Then we dive into major editing software, starting from the beginner friendly like CapCut and Clipchamp and Filmora, all the way to professional grading softwares like Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Now what we will do, we'll ask him put this into the script you shared above and share a revised version with me. So now it will do, it will take the script that is already provided on the top and it will add that in over here. So over here they have named that video editing course promo script, which is around 3 minutes or less than 3 minutes, and the title is become a video editor from beginner to pro with AI tools. And over here, as you can see, they have pretty much similarly, they have share the entire script. And over here, as you can see, they have changed that particular sentence that we asked them to change. And over here, these are the other different things that they have shared that we can use. So in similar way, you can create the entire course video. For this particular course video, this is the entire script that I have created using ChatGPT. So it starts with unlock your creative power. Are you ready to turn your passions for videos into professional skill? Then over here they also showing that we have to cut the montage of editing software schemes like CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Filmora and Clipchamp. So over here we have the narrator, which will say narrator is basically the voiceover at Transform Academies Ltd, which is stated we bring you the master video editing, a comprehensive guide to professional editing tools, your all-in-one course to become a confident job-ready video editor. So this is the entire script that we have generated using our this particular ChatGPT AI tool. Now what we will do, we can take other AI tools such as 11 Labs, such as Descript, in order to generate voiceover for our videos, and then we will generate a voiceover for our this particular script, or we can record our own voice for this and then we can edit our video. So now as you can see, we have completed the entire scripting process. Now we have also ready the voiceover, which we will be using afterwards. Now we need to gather the different data for it. Okay, so unlock your creative power. So we will search for creative power and we'll go on a stock footage website which is completely free and copyright free. So we'll search for pixels, and over here we will search for creative power and see if we can find any relevant or any matching tools. So over here we have to see for the filter that's horizontal applied. Okay, Now we have to see that if any video is related to it. So we will see that we just search for creative and see if we can find a video that's relevant, and we can use this video, or we'll go down and we'll find whichever the video that we mostly like, and we will choose that video. So I'll mostly go for, let's say, this video particularly. So we'll simply download this video, which will show that this person has a creative edge. Now, are you ready to turn your passion for videos into a professional skill? So passion for videos, we'll search for that and see if we find a video related to that passion for videos. We can use this video, we can use this video, we can use even this video as well. We can use that. So we'll simply click on it and we'll simply download this one. It's not 100% sure the whatever the data that we are selecting, we have to use that exact data for our video, because when we are gathering the data, our mindset is a little bit changed that we can use this video on top of that, or for this particular sentence we have to use this video. But when we are editing, our thought process or our editing process may vary whatever we are thinking when we are gathering the data, so it may vary. So we have to go with that. So over here we can use this video as well, or we'll go on top. Like say this one is also cool, that this is dancing and they have a, you can say, skill, and they wanted to add on. This is another, they are playing the piano, and we have to see if we can find the particulars. So we'll search for another thing, which is professional skill. So we'll search for professional, and what we'll do, we'll delete for passion for videos and just search for passion and see if we can find anything for passion related. So for passion we can use this particular video where she's recording or she's clicking some pictures, but we can use for our editing purposes. And then we can also do is we'll search for professional skill and see if we can find anything. So these are the different professional skills that they are showing, but as we know that our professional skill is about editing, so we'll simply go for editing, and we'll have all of the different videos for videos editing. So we'll open this video and we'll simply download this one. Then at CAD Transfers Academy, over here we have to use any of the company's logo that we have. So as over here our company name is Transforms Academy Limited, so we'll use their logos. We bring you mastering video editing. So over here we have to search for video editing, so we'll delete the mastering and just search for video editing, and we'll see where we can show the video editing. So free video editing software, that's a cool thing. And over here this is a great video that we can use, so we will simply download this one. And then a comprehensive guide to professional editing tools. So professional guide, and so this is a guide. So what we will do, we will use a video where people is showing whatever they are doing, so we can use this particular clip to show them as this is a guide. As it's get downloaded, we'll go back and search for video editing guide and search for it. And sometimes we didn't, you can say, find the best videos that we are looking for, so we'll use any of the video editing video in the software section, and we will choose that in order to generate the videos. So over here we'll find whatever the video that is most probably looks best for our need. We can use this one, we can use this one, or we can use this both. So let's go for this particular video and download this. Now professional editing tools that will be have the similar video, your all-in-one course to become a confident job ready video editor. So we'll search for video editor, and then before that will use this one to showcase that somebody is learning the video editing space. So we'll download that one, as you can see, and then we'll go for video editor. We'll have to add the filters over here to only show us the horizontal videos, because we want to create the videos in 16:9 aspect. Over here we can use this particular one with download from beginner friendly apps like CapCut. So we'll see that if we can find a video related to CapCut, otherwise we will choose the screenshots for CapCut. So CapCut software, so we'll see if we can find. No, all the videos are relying, so we'll search on Google for the CapCut software, and over here we have to choose any of the frame that we can use. So let's say we'll use this particular one or this one, so whichever we find best for our needs, so we'll download that. So over here this has the logo, so we cannot able to use any of the photo or video which have somebody's logo, because it comes under the copyright. So we'll use this one. So this isn't has a logo in it, so we can use that, or we can use any other. Let's go for this one. This one is alright. We'll simply download and save it as CapCut software JPEG, and then we'll have to search for Clipchamp. The Clipchamp software, we'll have to see if this is okay for our need. Okay, so that's okay. We'll have to download this one, then we'll have to go Adobe Premiere Pro and search over here. So because Adobe Premiere Pro is industry standard software, so we might get videos related to Adobe Premiere Pro and editing on it. So as you can see, we have gotten this video, this video, this video. So we'll download these different videos, but because we are using the photos for different software, so we'll use different softwares photos over here as well, so that we maintain a similar concept over here as well. So now either we can use this photo for reference, or either we can use this software photo, and we'll simply save this image. We'll go back and then we'll search for the DaVinci Resolve software, and then we'll go for this particular image and we'll simply save this one, and we'll name it DaVinci Resolve. And as you can see, we have downloaded all the photos. Now edit seamlessly across all platforms. So now we'll search for where a person is editing the video. So we can use this one, but we'll search for social media platforms, and we'll simply search the exact same thing on Google as well. And we can use, because these are the most popular software that we upload our videos on, so we can simply choose this particular image if it didn't get any videos related to that. Then these are the bullet title what you will learn, and then explain that with different things, and for that we have to choose background for it. So these are the social media videos which I think we cannot use because they didn't serve the exact purpose that we are getting these videos for. So over here we'll search for backgrounds and see if we can find a similar background for our videos, and we'll go for background textures. Let's play this one. We can use this one, so let's download this one. And if you like this video, then if you scroll down you will get similar style videos underneath, so you can use those videos if you get the style that is closer to your need, but it's not the one that you need. So if you scroll down like this, you will get the perfect video that you are looking for. So we can use this one while lowering the opacity, and I'll download this one. So all of these check marks will be done using that particular, and then we will also integrate the power of AI. So we'll go for searching AI, and we'll search AI over here. I was looking for this type of videos, but these are sponsored videos from iStock, and iStock is a paid plan, so we cannot use, but we can use this particular video because it's showing the chat GPT. So we can use that as when we are talking about chat GPT, which will may later come up in the editing or in our scripting. So we'll go for search AI over here, and we'll use this particular one or this one. These both works best, so let's go for this one, and this is AI. Okay, now what we will do, learn how to search for editing workflow. We can use this one to showcase that we are advancing our editing workflow, and this is our DaVinci Resolve screen recording. We can also use this video as well if you want to. It's also showing us the Premiere Pro. This is another video that is showcasing the editing side. We will download this one as well. We use with tools like auto captions, smart cutouts, AI background remover, and ChatGPT. Search for background remover, and then we can name that as an AI background removers, because different softwares get help from AI to erase the background. So just search for background removers. Getting the exact thing, so we'll just name these for different text effects. So let's search for auto captions in the photo section if we can find videos. More we have to summarize everything, and for scripting, brainstorming, and more. Okay, so we have selected for ChatGPT, and then we will use that. Now lead by professional editor Raheel. Over here I'll be adding my photo over here, or I'll write my name over here with 4+ years of real world experience. You will get step-by-step tutorials. So now we'll search for step-by-step tutorials right over here to see if we can get any photo or video related to step-by-step guide. So these aren't the tutorials, so just search for step-by-step and see if we can find anything related to what we are looking for. As you can see, these are step-by-step, but these aren't related to what we are looking for, so we have to keep that in mind. So we have to only look about the photos or the videos that are related to our own needs, not these generalized videos. So we'll search for over here step by step. We can use this image to demonstrate that we are going step by step. Okay, downloadable files, then cheat sheets and quizzes to keep you on track. So downloadable files we'll have to search for over here and over here as well, so whichever gives us the best results we can go for that. Either we'll use photo or video, so we'll see. As you can see, this type of videos we are looking for, but these are the paid ones. So if we need to get the exact download, so we'll just search for downloadable files, and as you can see, we can use this particular image. This is a good image, so we'll use for this one. And the next one is cheat sheets, so we'll search for cheat sheets as well, cheat sheets, and we'll see if we can find any. We have to see over here cheat sheets as well, so we'll just write the name about the cheat sheets as we want, like so. As you can see, they are taking the word sheet and just sharing all the videos that has sheets mentioned in it, so we'll go for that. And then at last is the quizzes, so we'll search for quizzes over here and over here as well, and we'll see whichever give us the best result. Okay, so it doesn't give us any video, so we'll just search for quiz, and these are quiz related to study which we don't need, so we'll go for this particular thing. That's okay. Then whether you are a complete beginner, so we'll search for beginner. We'll give them beginner at editing, so it can only show a person working on a laptop. And let's say we'll use this particular video as showcasing the beginner, a content creator. Now we will search for a content creator right around here, and we'll find a person who is a content creator, like so. And then we'll search for an aspiring freelancer. We'll use this one as freelancer. Comes this course built for you, no fancy gear required, so we'll search for editing gears. As you can see, these are the different gears that are available, because we are learning software based, so it's the right video that we can show. There's creativity and willingness to learn, so we'll go for creativity in editing, so we'll search for that. And now we'll see the video where the person is editing, so let's say this is the one. We'll see if we can get any other clip that is closer to what we are looking for. I think that particular, download this one, and willingness to learn, so we'll use the exact same. Join thousands of learners, so we'll search for join. So we can change whatever we are looking for by changing the prompt. As you know, we are looking for persons who have edited so far, so we can search for people working on computer, people are doing something. As you can see over here, all of the different persons are working on, you can say, checking and doing the video editing, so we'll go for that. Or we'll go down to see if we can get any other relevant clips. We can use this one as well, or we'll go down. Let's search for team, and then we'll see if we can get something up. We'll search for team. We can use this particular clip as well, or we can search for join over here, join us. Now we'll use that particular one. We don't just teach editing, we transform creators into professionals. So we'll see how we can transform this and enroll now and start editing like a pro. And over here we'll go for Academy website and just show over there. So now as you can see, we have downloaded all the data. Now we will put this into our favorite editing software. So let's do it inside Premiere Pro. So we'll create a new project. We'll skip this, and now we will add all of the photos and videos that we have downloaded onto over here. Now I'll also gather the audio over here, but first we will create a sequence. We'll go change the FPS, and that's okay. We'll hit OK. Let me remove this line to on top. Now we'll add our voiceover here. Now as you can see, I have added my voiceover over here. As you can see, this is the entire voiceover. Just listen to it.
Are you ready to turn your passion for videos into a professional skill? At Transform Academy LLT, we bring you Mastering Video Editing, a comprehensive guide to professional editing tools.
So this is the entire voiceover. Now we will edit this.
Are you ready to turn your passion for videos?
So now we will see if the video that we are looking for. So we will place this footage right around here.
Are you ready to turn your passion for videos into a professional skill?
Or can start with the text that show on screen. As you can see, this is our entire script. So are you ready to? So we will search for that and we will place it right around here like so. Go towards our properties section, and over here we will change that to monstart, and over here we will change that to extra bold or semi bold, whichever we find best, and over here we will make it center aligned. We'll make it a little bit more bolder or a little even. Then we will change that to centered align. So here this will be our starting video.
Are you ready to turn your passion for videos
Passion for videos. We will duplicate this one by holding our Alt button, and it will create a new copy, and over here we will change the text. Turn your passion for videos into. So we'll search for here and change it and make it again center align.
Are you ready to turn your passion for videos?
We'll delete into. We'll make centered align.
Passion for videos into a professional skill?
And for professional skill we will
Goes into a professional skill?
And we will make it shorter like so.
At Transform Academy LLT,
So over here we have added the logos over here,
skill?
and we will take this white logo over here.
At Transform Academy LLT, Academy LLT,
Over here we will change the LTD because it's not pronounced right,
LLT,
and we will delete this one. And also,
Transform Academy.
and we will make it a little shorter right around here.
At Transform Academy, we bring you Mastering Video Editing. We bring you.
So over here we will also hold the Alt key, and we will transform this particular right around here, and we will bring you. So we will search this for we bring you over here, and we will write around here. So we'll make the V capital, and we will make it centered align.
We bring you Mastering Video Editing.
So master video editing, we will either pick this one or either we will pick this one. So Let's go for this one, and we will place it right around here. This is, I have added in and out points for our particular this video, so we will just read this particular section.
Mastering video editing.
Or we can use this one and we will add the text on top as master video editing, so it will go around like this and around here.
Mastering video editing. A comprehensive guide to professional editing tools.
Now it will be a professional comprehensive guide to video editing, so we will write
Comprehensive guide to professional editing tools.
we will skip this for now and then we will later come back and say
Your all-in-one course to become a confident, job-ready video editor. Your all-in-one course to become a confident, job-ready video editor.
skip this part all again and then we will come back later on this part.
From beginner-friendly apps like From beginner-friendly apps
We will make it shorter so that we can only show that particular section.
From beginner-friendly apps like
And where is it like? Now we will add the CapCut one over here like so.
apps like CapCut and Clip.
And then it's a clip champ, we'll make it shorter and we will add the clip champ one right around here.
And Clipchamp to industry giants like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci
And then we will add the DaVinci one.
and DaVinci Resolve.
Now we have added
This course covers it all.
and over here we will add this text where we will say it covers it all. This course covers it all, so we will search for this one, go to properties and we will go double click and we will make this T capital, and for all we will add an exclamation mark and we will make it centered align and we'll try to make it a little bit italic. Again we'll go and make it center. Now it will see.
This course covers it all. Edit seamlessly across all platforms.
So now it's saying that edit seamlessly across all platforms. So we will dump this one.
Edit seamlessly across all platforms. What you'll learn.
Now over here, as I'll show you that we will use the check marks point, so I'll add this video over here.
What you'll learn.
What you will learn. So what we will do, we'll gather this one and we will just simply copy this one and paste it over here and make it bigger like so, and we will search over here what you will learn from here. Go over here, go to properties section, double click on it and we will make it bigger like so. We'll add this like so.
Forms. What you'll learn.
So we'll copy what from here, what you will learn, and we'll make it centered align like so.
What you'll learn. How to structure.
Now what we will do, we will go to effects control and we will lower the opacity of this particular stuff so we can only see whatever we are writing on top, not the actual thing. So first one is how to structure powerful edits for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels and online course. So this is our first line. Okay, we will go to text tool and we will type this entire thing. Go to our properties panel and we will make it shorter right around here like so. Make a hit enter over here so it can be blend with the other line, and over here we will add shadow make the shadow to black, and we will increase the opacity, and over here we will increase the shadows featherness like so, and we'll select all and we will change this extra bold to semi bold. Now it's looking good, and we will change the lining space a little bit, and we will go and make it around like so, and we will change like this, and that's it. Will make it around here. Now see.
How to structure powerful edits for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and online courses.
Let's go around here. We'll make it bigger, and then now they are saying about master, so we will hold the alt key and copy the again this layer, and this is around this long, so we'll copy that, click onto it, and control A for selecting all, and we will write our line and we will make it down like so, and from here we will add it to the next point.
Master color grading, audio mixing, transitions, and visual storytelling.
So it's around here, and our next is showing around here. So now as you can see, this is our third one. So if we will copy this one, and we will name this one, and we will make it down like so, then we'll copy the next one, and we'll see how long it goes,
8 short-form content that goes viral.
and we will make it around on top. Then we again hold the alt or option key to copy, and
Edit course.
and now we'll go over here and control A and control V, hit enter, and then we'll make it down like so.
Edit course videos, build your portfolio, and even monetize your skills.
And right around here we will add the last one. Okay, so plus we integrate our, so it's around right around here. If you see, that's around over here. Then the plus is another one, so we will delete this one, and around here we will make everything shorter. That will end to that particular section like so. And what about this video? We'll make it 70% slower, and click on OK, and we will make it shorter, so it will be around all of our frame where we are editing. So this is our last one. We'll click on it and we will make it a little bit on the downer side, yeah, like so. So this will be make the end one.
Plus, we integrate the power of AI.
So now they are saying that we have entered the power of AI. So what we will do, we will search any of the AI tool that we show, or we will make this image at the down bottom.
Plus,
For plus, we will go and we will copy the first one. How we will copy? We can right click, copy, over here, right click, and control V. राइट क्लिक वाले को डिलीट कर देना होगा. Okay, we will make it shorter. Go over here and write what we want to do. We want to write plus, and we will write plus over here and go to properties section and make it centered align.
we integrate the power of AI.
And now what we will do, we'll go to effects control. We'll make it bigger and we will only focus on to this AI part. And right like so, we'll make it centered around a little bit more around 35. Go like so. Go down. Yeah, that's okay.
We integrate the power of AI. Learn how to speed up your workflow with
Now we need to search for how to speed up our workflow. So we'll go. So we'll copy and paste this one.
Learn how to speed up your workflow with tools like
And now they are talking about different tools.
auto captions, smart cutouts, AI background removers,
These are the different tools. Now we can use. We can copy this one over here.
auto captions, smart cutout your workflow with tools like tools
Like so.
like auto caption like
Now we will add a caption, which is auto captions. Copy this one, paste it over here, and we will make the first letter capital. Go around here, and what we will do, we will make it bolder, and then we will add over here. And how we will see that we are lining everything, we'll have to select these show rulers, and we'll have to gather this ruler around here, so that everything that we are adding will be matched up. So first of all is
auto captions,
we'll make it bigger. Alt the option and alt key to copy, and then find the next one, which is smart cutouts, and we'll paste it, and we will make it go down right around here, and we'll search for smart cutouts. Okay, but if you see, look closely, we haven't added the shadows to it, so that's why it's not giving us the pop white. So we will delete the first one. Go to auto captions and go add the shadows, so that it will have a pop from the background. So we'll add these different features, so it will be pop from the background, and it will give a great vibe. So first is
Captions.
auto captions. Then what we have, we'll double click on it, we'll change the smart cutouts, and we will bring that to around here, but we will change the first letter to capital.
smart cutouts,
We will also hold the option or alt key to copy, and AI background removers will go a little on top to see, and we'll first either we can add text, or either we can change the position, and then we'll add over here AI background, and we will add this remover section to the bottom. So sorry, AI background remover, so it will show like,
AI background removers,
and afterwards what we have, and chat GPT. So we'll search for chat GPT,
and ChatGPT for
and what we will do, we will copy the second one, make it on top, search, and we'll make it down to bottom like so, and add chat GPT,
GPT for
and chat GPT will be,
and ChatGPT for
and when they say for, we'll cut the video, because we have the video where it's showing the chat GPT, and we will show that particular video. Like we'll go towards video, and this is the chat GPT. We will go where it shows the command, we'll place that,
scripting, brainstorming, and more.
we'll delete this one, we'll go to selection tool, and we will remove this rulers. Now we will zoom in so that we can only show the chat GPT stuff like so.
For scripting, brainstorming, and more.
That's okay.
Led by professional editor Raheel.
Over here, either I can add my own photos to it, or either I can add a stock footage, whichever it's good. We will think about this as later. Now we'll go again.
With over 4 years of real-world experience, you'll get step-by-step
And now it's step by step. We will add this step by step image over here.
You'll get step-by-step tutorials, downloadable files,
And we will add downloadable
files, cheat sheets.
Now we'll add cheat sheets. For cheat sheets, as we didn't get any video, so we will help with the text, and we will add the text over here, which is cheat sheets. We'll search for it, go for it, make it larger, and we will double click on it, and we will change that to cheat sheets. Go to property section, and we will make it centered align.
Files, cheat sheets, and quizzes to keep
And for quizzes, we'll also add this one.
you on track. Whether you're a complete beginner,
Okay.
a content creator,
So now for a complete beginner, we'll add this one where the person is opening the Photoshop, opening the Premiere Pro for the first time. So we'll add this clip.
whether you're a complete beginner, a content creator,
So this person is a content creator. So we'll add her video over here.
a content creator, or an aspiring freelancer,
I'll use this one.
This course is built for you.
Now we will add a little bit of typography over here. How we can do? Let me show you. It's around here.
This course is
So it's written as this course. So we'll search for this course. We'll make it T a little longer, and we will delete the course from here like so.
this course
We will zoom in a little bit because we have to go for word to word.
this course
We will copy around here. We'll change that to course, make the C pop, go back, go to this, go to our properties panel, click on it, make it bigger like this, and we will change it to around here, or we'll go at the centered like so, this. And now this is a course. What we will do, we will click on course, and over here what we will do, we will add the rotation like so. So that rotation will be fully -90. We'll bring it right around here, and we will make it a little bit bigger like so. It will show like this. This course
is
no, the next word is. So this course
built
is. Now we will select this, and we will change to is. And now what we will do, we will go around here, and we will make it a little right around here, is built for you. So we will have the 4 words is, then we will go on top. Now we will search for the second word, which is built. We will make it around here. Now this is built. We will double click and search for build, and we'll take this build down.
for you.
And over here they are saying about you for. So if we'll search for, go to build section, double click on it, and we will make it down like so. is built for, and around here it will say you.
For you.
We'll go for you, and it's ending right around here. So what we will do, we will make everything to that particular amount, or we will select all three, add a razor tool, or click on shift to add cut to all of the properties above. So how it will go, look, see over here.
This course is built for you.
And now this is complete. We'll click on this tilt icon, which is right on the tab, to make this sequence panel bigger, and we will select all of this and make a nested clip. Then all of the layers will become a single layer, and that single layer we will go to effects control, make it bigger, and we will make it around centered align like so. So how it will look, it will look like this.
This course is built for you. No fancy gear required.
So for the fancy gears one, we have chosen this particular clip. So we'll just go.
No fancy gear required. Gear
As you can see, if we make this clip longer, the hand
required.
comes in the frame, which we don't need. So what we will do, we will lower this footage to around 70%, so that, or 60 or maybe 50%, so that it can take up the entire space. Now we will make a little bit zoomed out,
No fancy gear required.
and what we will do, we will add no fancy gears required on top. So what we will do, either we'll go to text layer and we will type manually like no fancy gear required, and paste it, and go to properties section, and we will add right around here, and we'll make it a little bit bigger, and at the required we can add an exclamation sign. We'll also go at the center, add shadow to it, similar as we did for others. We'll make it bigger like so, so it will show like this.
No fancy gear required. Just your creativity.
And I will just show you this, that you just want to show your creativity like so.
Just your creativity and a willingness to learn.
And we will use this particular or this clip like so,
And a willingness to learn.
and we will delete this one. Now you will see we are almost complete our video. Now we'll see.
Join thousands of learners at Transform Academy LT.
So again over here the LTD they haven't pronounced right. This is a limitation of AI.
LT.
We have to see. We'll make it shorter like so, and we will delete this gap.
Academy, where we don't just teach.
Okay, we will add a transition later on.
Where join thousands of learners.
And for joining, we selected this particular clip.
Join thousands of learners at Transform.
And over here we will add this Transform Academy's logo like so, or add this logo which is in
At
white.
Transform Academy,
And then,
where we don't just teach editing,
and now we will add an editing section.
we transform creators into professionals. Where we don't just teach editing,
And now we will do the similar stuff with the text over here. How we can do? We transform creators into professionals, so we'll make it bolder as a statement. So we'll make it centered align into professionals. Again, make it centered align, but we need everything to be centered, so it will look like this.
we transform creators into professionals. Enroll now and
Then over here we have to say enroll now. So we'll go to photos to see if we have anything related to enroll. No, we don't. So we'll use this video as a backup.
Roll now and
We'll add this text, how it will look like. Enroll now and start editing. Enroll now will be the bigger text that will be shown onto screen, like so. It will be like that much bigger, and we will make it around here.
enroll now.
Then we will add this mark right around here. Enroll now, and we will duplicate this one at the center. Start editing like pro. And what we will do, we will click on it and we will double click and add our text, make it semi bold or make it even bolder, make it shorter, like so, like this much is enough, and make it a little downward. Go to enroll now and make it bigger, like so. So it will show like this.
Enroll now and start editing like a pro.
And at bottom, just for our promotion, what we will do, we will add the transformacademies.com website link. So we will add the website link, we'll make it to semi bold, we'll go at the bottom and we will make it shorter as we can right around here. So it will add it in frame, but it won't affect the frame, so it will be a little bit subtle, like so. We'll make a cut over here, we'll make everything that much stretchable. Okay, and that's been it. We have completed almost our entire video. Now we have a little chunks remaining that we will fill.
Led by professional editor Raheel,
Now over here we will add led by professional editor here. So we'll add this particular clip.
led by professional editor Raheel,
So we will add this particular
professional editor
over here just for my name. We'll go on top, led by professional editor. So that's my introduction. We'll search for professional editor. We'll go for extra bold. We'll go for all caps, and we'll make it a little bit bigger. We'll go at the center right over here, and we will make it a little bit all right, like this. There is a space that we have to delete, and then
led by professional editor editor
I will have to make it copy, and we'll over here we'll have to add my name, and we'll add my name over here. Sorry, I added onto the wrong name, and for this I'll make it black, make it bigger, and I will add this to over here. And for the professional editor one, I'll change to semi bold and I'll make it a little bit shorter. I will make it around here, and for here I'll make it even more a little bigger so that it can fill it up with. And as we are targeting this right end, so we will make it everything right aligned, so it will look like this.
led by professional editor Raheel, with over 4 years of real-world experience.
And now we will add a photo for 4+ years of real world experience. So for real world, we can add this particular video.
Heel with over
and we can add this as well.
with over 4 years of real
We'll copy this, we'll delete, and we will make this as centered align and make it a little bigger like so, because we will have to add
4 years of
over here, and we will add this real world experience. We'll search and we will add real world experience. Over here we will make it bigger like so, and that's been it. And but for 4 years we'll select and we will make this text even bigger, and we will make it centered align like so. It will look like
for 4 years of real world experience. You'll get
okay. So we have completed this part. Now this part is remaining, which we have to be filled.
video editing, a comprehensive guide to professional.
Now we'll see which clips we haven't been used yet, which we will be choosing right now. So we will be choosing
A comprehensive guide to professional editing tool.
I'll copy over here.
Comprehensive guide.
I'll go on top. Comprehensive guide. I'll go text and add comprehensive guide. Make it shorter. And we will make it around centered. Two will be added over here, and it will be like so. Will have to be centered align, have to be a little bigger, and in the center like so.
A comprehensive guide to professional editing tools.
And what we will do, we will go to effects control and make it even like this.
You're all in one.
But over here what we can do even spicier. What we will do, we'll go and we will add this professional editing, and we will change the color to yellow, because yellow will pop even more, so it will look like this.
A comprehensive guide to professional editing tools.
And now what we can do is we can cut this. We will,
Comprehensive guide.
and when it say 2, then we can add this professional text, and we will delete this upper part, so it will look like this.
A comprehensive guide to professional editing tools.
Now
Your all-in-one course to become a confident, job-ready video editor. Your all-in-one course.
we'll make it shorter like so.
Your all-in-one course.
Now we will have to write an all-in-one course, so we'll copy this one. We'll copy this all-in-one course, go to compositing, and what we will do, we'll make like this, and we'll place that right around here like so, and we will again do the similar effect, make this yellow like so, and make the duration a little bit shorter. And now you will see,
Your all-in-one course
make it a little bigger.
all-in-one course to become a confident, job-ready
And now for job ready, we can add this clip. It will be shorter like so.
job-ready video editor.
And now for job ready video editor, we will again help with text. Or make it shorter and go like this. Job ready video editor. What we will do, we will search for video editor, and again similar style will pop it even more, and search for all, make the duration shorter and make it like bigger this side and like this.
Job-ready video editor.
And in this way we will add different stuff. And over here we have to add a white stuff at the background so that our other stuff will make pop. We will add a white color matte, and we will add this color matte to our videos like so, like this one. And what we'll do, we'll go and we will make it around 80% shorter, or it will filled by this outer box like so. We'll also go over here and we will also make it shorter like so.
Champ to industry giants like
And for Adobe Premiere Pro, we'll make the cut like so, so we can only see the video or the screenshot of the editing software, not the entire thing like so. And we'll make it bigger around here, make it a little on top, and that's it.
industry giants like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve.
And same thing we'll do with DaVinci Resolve as well, like so.
Like CapCut and Clipchamp to industry giants like Adobe Premiere.
And for this we'll also add text for each so people can know that what we are talking about. So we will add this course text copied from there. No, it's an italic, so we'll create our own one. So our first tool is CapCut. We'll copy that, paste it over here, and as our text is significantly bigger, we'll go to extra bold and make it around 80. It is a little bit shorter, we'll go to 90, and we will add it at the center, and it will look like this. Then we will go and add the to Clipchamp. Go to and add the name Clipchamp over here. Just will make it again at the center.
And Clipchamp to industry giants like
And now for the industry giants, we'll again add Adobe Premiere Pro like so, and again we'll have to make it centered.
Adobe
Premiere Pro, and at last there is DaVinci Resolve. We'll select the DaVinci Resolve one and add that and make it center.
Pro and DaVinci Resolve.
Now we have almost completed our video. Now we will see without any effects applied to it. It's just simply raw video that we have created using text, video and photos, and these everything that we have done so far we can be do in any editing software. Now just look into it.
Are you ready to turn your passion for videos into a professional skill? At Transform Academy, we bring you Mastering Video Editing, a comprehensive guide to professional editing tools. Your all-in-one course to become a confident, job-ready video editor. From beginner-friendly apps like CapCut and Clipchamp to industry giants like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, This course covers it all. Edit seamlessly across all platforms. What you'll learn: how to structure powerful edits for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and online courses. Master color grading, audio mixing, transitions, and visual storytelling. Create short-form content that goes viral. Edit course videos, build your portfolio, and even monetize your skills. Plus, we integrate the power of AI. Learn how to speed up your workflow with tools like auto captions, smart cutouts, AI background removers, and ChatGPT for scripting, brainstorming, and more. Led by professional editor Raheel, with over 4 years of real-world experience, you'll get step-by-step tutorials, downloadable files, cheat sheets, and quizzes to keep you on track. Whether you're a complete beginner, a content creator, or an aspiring freelancer, this course is built for you. No fancy gear required, just your creativity and a willingness to learn. Join thousands of learners at Transform Academy, where we don't just teach editing, we transform creators into professionals. Enroll now and start editing like a pro.
Okay, so that's is our entire video editing course video that we have just created. And now over here we'll add a little text that we need to add.
We bring you Mastering Video Editing.
So that's mastering video editing text. We have to add this, like we'll copy this one and we will paste it right around here, and on top we'll go show like this, mastering video editing. We'll go over here, we'll search for mastering video editing, and for again video editing we'll add a yellow color to it to make it pop like so. Okay, now one thing that we need to see at the top and over here, we have to add transitions now, and we'll also figure out if there is anything that we can add. So we'll add additive dissolve over here, and we'll also add the audio transition, which is constant gain right around here. So it will do.
Are you ready to turn your passion for...
And in between we'll also add this cross dissolve transition,
to turn your passion for videos
and also right around here as well,
into a professional skill?
and just for professional skill, I think this voice video isn't doing the justice, so we will add another video over here just to spice things up.
Into a professional skill?
So I have a video where we can show that professional skill. So I have this video. Let me open this up. Like this.
Into a professional... to a professional skill? To a professional skill?
Make it a little shorter.
To a professional skill?
And we will add a cross dissolve transition, which I have made it a shortcut, and it's Control D.
Into a professional skill?
And as you can see, we have the black bars, which we will simply cover by making it the scale at 100. Now you'll see.
Goes into a professional skill?
Now this is a Transform Academy's logo, and we have to make it shorter like so. And for that we'll go to effects and we'll go to any other. Let's say we'll do this center split one.
At Transform Academy,
We'll add another cross dissolve transition.
we bring you Mastering.
But as you can see, our background is a little bit sharper. So what we'll do, we'll lower its opacity so we can only focus on the text itself. And over here we'll also add this cross dissolve transition over here and additive dissolve to text.
Mastering Video Editing. Mastering Video Editing, a comprehensive guide to professional editing.
Same will do for this one as well,
editing tools. Your all-in-one
and we'll also have to make it 100.
course to become a confident, job-ready
Same we'll have to do for 150.
video editor. From beginner-friendly apps like CapCut and Clipchamp to
And over here we also have to add, we'll select both, go, and we'll add this cross dissolve transition on top and on bottom as well. Similarly goes over here on top and on bottom and right around here as well. So it will look
CapCut and Clipchamp to industry giants like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. This course covers it all.
over here. We'll also add this transition and we will make it bigger so that it can fill through all.
Edit seamlessly across all platforms. What you'll learn.
Also we'll add this over here.
How to structure powerful
Similarly we'll make this particular a little more slower, right around 50%. Make it normalize, and whenever every text comes and ends, we'll also add cross dissolve around here,
We integrate the power of AI.
and again we'll add this over here
Learn how to speed up your
and make it to the 100,
workflow with tools
and again we'll add this cross dissolve over here.
like auto captions, key for scripting, brainstorming, and more.
Again we will add this cross dissolve over here.
Led by professional editor Raheel,
What we can do, we can both make it to a nested sequence, and when we double click we can make changes, but over here we will get a single. And similarly what we can do is we can select all, like we will select all of these and we will make a nested sequence, so we will have a simple sequence. And now we can, if we want to change the position of it, we can simply change this single and everything will change accordingly. And now
by professional editor Raheel,
and we will make it a little bigger, like so. We'll also make it a little more, like so. And in the bottom video we'll have to make it around like so.
led by professional editor Raheel, with over 4 years
Similarly we'll do for this.
of real-world experience,
Similarly go nested sequence and make it bigger so it can be shown like this. And for this what we can do, we can make both of these on top, go over here, go to videos and add this color matte over here, so it will fixes everything. And we will add again a cross dissolve over here,
you'll get step-by-step
but as you can see the pencil is bit cutting, so we'll make it a little bit bigger.
tutorials,
Again add this cross dissolve,
downloadable files, cheat sheet,
or what we can do, we can make it bigger, and for this we'll change the color to black. It will look like this, and we will also do like this.
cheat sheets, and quizzes to keep you on track.
Over here we'll again add this cross dissolve,
Whether you're a complete
make it bigger so it's roughly around 93, change that to 100.
beginner, a content creator, or an aspiring freelancer,
Again we can add, select all of it and add this cross dissolve transition on top, so it will give the feel like
a
this.
content creator, or an aspiring freelancer, this course is built for you.
It will look like
No,
this.
no fancy gear required. Just your create.
Or we can go over here and make it all caps, it will give a more effect, and make it to around 110, and we will add it to centered align. It will look like this,
Fancy gear required.
and just give the text a little boost, we will make it around 70. It will look like this. Also change that to 100.
Creativity,
Again we will add this transition, and if it's not making to center line, we'll go to effects control and we will make it center.
and a willingness to learn. Join thousands
Again we will add the cross dissolve.
Join thousands of learners at
And over here we have, we click join, thousands of learners will be at the bottom. It will look like so. We will make it cut, we will make it this like so, and this join will make it bigger, and it will be around in the centered like so, a little bit on top, and then there will be another text where we will add thousands of learners, and we will make it around here, and we will also make this shorter, thousands of learners like this, and it will be centered aligned like this, and this join will be a little bit bigger, and we will make it right around here, and we will, what we will do, we will click on both and make a nested sequence, and the bottom layer will have, what we will have to do, we'll have to lower its opacity, and this join section will get a little bit bigger, and it will be at the center like this, so it will look like this.
join thousands of learners at
And similar goes for Transform Academy.
thousands of learners at Transform Academy, where we don't just
And over here we'll have to add a transfer called exponential fade, like like a little bit like this, and make it shorter.
Transform Academy, where we don't just teach editing, where we don't just
We don't just teach editing. We'll copy this. We'll click around here. And what we'll do, we'll copy this. We don't just teach editing. Teach editing will be copied over here. And what we will do, we will make it a little bigger and make it centered and make it a little on top.
where we don't just teach
We'll copy around here, and on top we'll add teach, and over here E for editing, select both, add the yellow punch to it, and make it downward like so. So it will give the feel like this.
where we don't just where we
And we'll also like this.
where we don't just teach editing,
Select both, make nest, select and make it around center, a little bit bigger. Select the bottom layer and change it to 80.
we transform creators into professionals. Enroll now.
Similarly goes for this, we'll make it around 60. It will look like this,
Enroll now and start editing like a pro.
and our video will get ended. So this is our entire new video. So let me show you how it looks, and then we will export it, and that's the entire course video or a promotional video that we have done for our this particular course. Now see,
Are you ready to turn your passion for videos into a professional skill? At Transform Academy, we bring you Mastering Video Editing, a comprehensive guide to professional editing tools. Your all-in-one course to become a confident, job-ready video editor. From beginner-friendly apps like CapCut and Clipchamp to industry giants like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, this course covers it all. Edit seamlessly across all platforms. What you'll learn: how to structure powerful edits for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and online courses. master color grading, audio mixing, transitions, and visual storytelling. Create short-form content that goes viral. Edit course videos, build your portfolio, and even monetize your skills. Plus, we integrate the power of AI. Learn how to speed up your workflow with tools like auto captions, smart cutouts, AI background removers, and ChatGPT for scripting, brainstorming, and more. Led by professional editor Raheel, with over 4 years of real-world experience, you'll get step-by-step tutorials, downloadable files, cheat sheets, and quizzes to keep you on track. Whether you're a complete beginner, a content creator, or an aspiring freelancer, this course is built for you. No fancy gear required, just your creativity and a willingness to learn. Join thousands of learners at Transform Academy, where we don't just teach editing, we transform creators into professionals. Enroll now and start editing like a pro.
Okay, so that's been the entire video. Our last step is basically getting export this particular clip. We'll click on export. We'll name this as course intro video, and we'll simply click on export and it will start exporting. So that's been it. Now we will see how audio quality is important for our course videos, and we will also learn about different voiceover tips. Audio is just as important as video, if not more. Viewers can often tolerate a lower video quality, but poor audio can immediately turn them away. To start, use a decent microphone or even a smartphone mic, or even a smartphone mic with noise control can deliver good results. Avoid recording in echoey rooms or with background noise. Use blankets, foam panels, or even a closet to create a soft recording environment that can help balancing our audios and remove any noises from our audio and give us a crystal clear audios. After done with the recording of the audio, when editing, we have to remove background noising such as any noise from the fan, from the road, or from any distraction that is adding into our voiceover. So we can use different filters available inside the audio editing software called Audacity, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or any other editing software that we have learned so far. We have to normalize the volume levels so that our audio won't be that much loud or even won't be that much quieter. And we have to apply a light compression for a smoother and a balanced sound. Always listen through add headphones to catch smaller distortions and remove those distortions for a better and a cleared audio. If you are uncomfortable recording your own voice, you can use AI voice tools to generate clean, natural sounding narrations from text. These are especially useful for batch producing content in a consistent tone. Always ensures the pacing is relaxed and the tone matches the target audience, which instructional, friendly, and confident manner. Now we will see the best export settings for online learning platforms. Once your course video is complete, it must be exported with the right settings to maintain quality and compatibility. Most online learning platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, and Teachable recommends the following settings. The format of our videos will be MP4, and the codec that we will be using are H.2.64. I mean, our resolution must be at least 1920 by 1080, or in the words full HD, or we can do even higher, let's say in 4K as well. The frame rates are between 24 to 30 fps, or we can also use 60 fps, but 30 fps is more generalized. Then for audio, we have to keep on bitrate. We have to keep an eye on bitrate, which will be from 8 to 12 mbps for video, and 92 to 320 kbps for audio. And the audio codec that we will be using is advanced audio codec, which is AAC. Also, remember to include clear video titles and thumbnails for each lesson. Thumbnail should be visually appealing and readable even if it is at a small size. Export file names with clear numbering such as 8.1 course structure.mp4 to keep them organized so that you won't lose them, or you will have a track of an organized file sections. If the file is too large, use different compression tools like Handbrake or Adobe Media Encoder to reduce it without significant loss in quality. Now we have reached at the end of module 8. So let's start with this. So what's the summary of this module? In this module, we explored how to create professional course videos that combine clear instruction, high quality visuals, engaging motions, and clean audio. You learned how to record effective screen content, use motion graphics to enhance lessons, and prepare your final video for any major learning platform. With these skills, you can confidently produce educational content that stands out, delivers real value, and keep learners engaged from start to finish. Our next module will be module 9, AI in video editing. Like, share, and subscribe for more on video editing.